Present. Next to explain their vote is no other than our distinguished minority leader, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano.
Senator Alan Cayetano is recognized.
Good afternoon, Mr. Senate President, dear colleagues. Biblical principle na kung anong ating itatanim, yan ang ating aanihin. I think it's an honor for all of us to see this measure pass today. Marami pang kailangan gawin, pero napakalaking step nito. If we look at history, Magna Carta simply states that even the king or the ruling class or yung pinaka-powerful are also subject to the law and not above the law. So by giving the barangay health workers the recognition that they have fundamental rights, it is saying that we recognize, regardless who is in power, regardless of the powers that be, human right nyo po ito. This is also a recognition that wala pong healthy na nation pagka hindi po healthy ang kanyang mamamayan. Together with our Senate President, Win Gatchalian, Senator Pia, a number of other senators, we have again and again emphasized that stunting or pagkabansot is a national security problem or a big problem for our country. Statistics show that almost 1/4 ng ating mga kababayan are in danger of falling into stunting. At ang problema po, pag naging permanent yung effects ng stunting, kahit anong scholarship mo, limited na po ang kanyang learning ability. Ganon din po, pagka yung naapektuhan na yung kanyang health, kahit anong ibuhos mo sa mga ospital, sa mga clinic, sa mga vitamins, sa PhilHealth, ay limited na rin po magagawa natin. And the antidote or the solution to stunting really has to do with the barangay health workers. Taguig is proud that lowest stunting incidents in Metro Manila, and through God's grace, much credit is given to the barangay nutrition scholars and the barangay health workers. Because sa isang tingin pa lang, pag nakita po, or sa isang tanong o isang tingin, pag nakitang buntis, nandyan na yung programa para sa mga buntis. At pagka nanganak na, lalo pag tinitimbang ang mga bata, yung ibang indicators of malnutrition, magkakaroon ng maagang intervention. So, the barangay health workers are blessed to have a Senate that usually kasi ang tingin sa Senate masyadong mataas, so hindi bumababad or hindi bumababa. And even in the composition, for example, our former Senate President Soto was a vice mayor. I think Senator Pangilinan, who spoke earlier, was a councilor. Ako po, naging konsehal din ako nung nagsimula sa politika. Si Senator JV, who has been pushing not only this act, but more than this act, was a mayor. Senator Win was also a mayor. The reality, Mr. President, is that many of the solutions to everyday problems now are from the local government. Maging barangay yan, maging city government, municipal government, or even the provincial government. We call them barangay health workers because they are health workers in the barangay. And they started out as volunteers, then they're trained by the municipality or city. But in a perfect world, they should really be national government employees getting full benefits and getting everything from training, equipment. Diba? Sabi ko nga minsan, pag binibiro ko yung mga barangay health workers, kahit rubber shoes man lang, kasi sa araw-araw na lang po ng pagkakatok nila sa mga bahay, hinahabol sila ng aso. So kailangan may rubber shoes man lang para hindi naman sila mahabol nung aso. I remember during the LEDAC where Senator JV was pushing this, the President Marcos was in favor or is in favor, was in favor during that time, except that sabi niya, let's make sure na hindi unfunded yung bill. And Senator JV correctly stated na, sir, baka pwede natin tignan yung paggamit ng AIX kasi actually, marami sa AIX is already being used by municipalities that do not have enough money to support yung barangay health workers. So, there's so much to be said, Mr. President, but let me just say this. One, we took a giant step today, but there is so much more that we can do to build a health system that we can all be proud of, that can really be relevant to sa bawat Pilipino. And kung sino man ang nasa grassroots talaga, yung primary healthcare or barangay health center, barangay nutrition center, volunteers, barangay health workers, they are as important as our surgeons, hospital administrators, engineers that build our hospital, medical technician. So it's about time that we look at the health system holistically. So I join my dear colleagues, especially the sponsors and the authors, in not only voting for this bill, but to encourage this chamber, to follow it up with the other bills that will actually bring us to a world-class health system. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer, Senate President Soto. Thank you.